'03 Chevy Trailblazer. So I had already freaking tried cleaning its throttle body right here, cleaning the wires, and then also cleaning the air filter. And now I'm currently, as you can tell, pulling the battery off 5 minutes to see if it would trip the computer or trip the throttle body or both. I don't know what it does. My boss told me to trip it, so that's what I'm currently doing. I am a troubleshooting, tub mechanic. I didn't go to school for this, but I do know a little bit of a little bit. And for anyone that has a Chevy Trailblazer that has a throttle body issue, there may be a sensor issue that's probably right about here. My best suggestion, try to clean it, trip the battery, see what happens. I have not seen what happens. I actually took it for a test run, and that was prior to me tripping the battery. Well, come to find out, without me tripping the battery, it did nothing. Absolutely nothing. It didn't work. It just started bogging down like it usually would, and dang on near killed itself while I'm trying to drive down the road. So as you can tell, I've already put it back together. I've already cleaned the wires, cleaned the throttle body, and I've already cleaned the air filter once again, as I said. So, like I said, the step you want to take is, prior to you spending too much money or what have you, or spending a whole bunch of money for, either a new engine or a new freaking block or whatnot, because of one simple issue. Try cleaning that. If not, if it still bogs down, buy a new throttle body or a new throttle body sensor. Okay? And then next tip, right underneath that right there, is your air filter. Every month or every couple months, you're going to want to clean that. Because if you don't, you'll be spending more money than what you want to spend. You can take that money that you save and probably spend it on your old lady or on your kids or whoever you have in your life. So, trying to just save you some money and go from there. Like I said, I'm tripping this for a good 5 minutes. My boss told me to trip it, so as you can tell, I did. And then after I trip it and put it back together, I will be hopefully having some good outcomes. If not, then that's about time where I'm probably going to replace the throttle body and then the throttle body sensor as well, because it's been all about the throttle body. The code, if you end up getting a code P1515, it is strictly, or it's P1616, I do believe, not sure, can't remember, bad memory, sorry. Anyhow, it is strictly for BMW, GM, and just a few other vehicle products. It is for the throttle body sensor, what have you, or the throttle body, etc. Has to do right here. So, as I said before, clean your throttle body, clean the inside of it. How you're going to do that is you're going to pull this, you're going to actually twist this off, if you can see it right here. You're going to pull all this off, right through here, all the way over here. If you have just two bolts, a few screws, or like screwdriver, there's one here. As you can tell, I didn't put this one back for a reason. There's one here, and then, I can't remember where now it's at. I think it's right back here. And that should be about it, or, wait. But anyhow, I think there's like one or two down here. Okay. Then after that, you're going to pull off this sensor, and then I think that would be about it. Well, anyhow, you pull this whole piece off, but you want to pull this off first, right here. Then you pull this out, and then it should come out easily. But I think there's another sensor No, there's not one for this one, but there's two for here. There's one for here, as you can see, right here. And then one right here, where my thumb's at. Anyhow, you pull this off, there's 4 bolts, 2 for top, 2 for bottom. Okay? Excuse me, sorry. Anyways, as you can tell, I've already put it back together. As you can tell, there's residue of cleaning. You know, residue. I've been there, already done it. I've already had to do this twice. I should have already got the throttle body and throttle body sensor, but been having some money issues here lately, so I have not been able to get it.